Okay, an additional video that I'm going to do is specifically for the commercial entities who are doing the legacy licensing, and even here, I know that there's a lot of radio amateurs who seem to be bypassing this commercial aspect, and you guys have gone out there and you've got dealer licenses and whatever else the case might be. Guys, seriously, if you're not a legitimate business, I really think you're doing an injustice to the rest of the guys, but that's a personal opinion. And of course, I'm entitled to make personal opinions because it does have an effect on the guys that invest a fair bit of money to run a 24-hour business or even an 8-hour-a-day business, and are not just using a dealer license to do a little bit of backyard work or deals over the weekend type of thing. However, having said that, I decided I'm going to quickly do a video on renewing of the dealer application, because it comes down to the supporting documentation and the process. And what I have done is I have done the previous videos where I've said, look, yeah, we're going to do the amendment, and if it is regardless of what legacy license it is, you follow the same process. So let me just click in the screen share quickly, and you will see I actually want to have a look at this license number here. Where is it? 5733. There we go. So that is the Chad Milam, and that's my trading as legacy amendment that is in process. Again, where it was in progress, it has now switched over to customer application incomplete. And of course, we click on continue. So when the continue loading, infamous loading comes up, we in actual fact go through the exact same process as what we've done with the legacy license on the amateur radio side. So select the application as already there, the general details. Yeah, I went through the process and I hit the submit. So under the general details, it just says supply install. So very much the same as what we saw on the old legacy licensed radio dealer, supply, install, and repair. By default, you can leave that, and then of course the station details is your registered address, whatever the case might be. So now under the upload other, they don't actually specify exactly what you need to upload, but I think in all fairness, what we should in actual fact do, and let me just see where's that file sitting so that I can go and pick that up quickly. I think in all fairness, what we should in actual fact do is maybe just insert our previous license that we got, and I'm just going to say license or last issued, last received copy as none was sent for 2021 via post or email, just so that they can, when they actually look at it, they can see, okay, well, there it is, that is the correct license. Check to see if in this case it's not asking now for any payments or whatever the case might be. So if there is a follow-up to the dealer, I'll do a follow-up on the video. But I just wanted to show you that, now look here, via post or email. I just wanted to show you that it's basically the same process. So regardless of the license type, under the RF licenses, we're going through virtually the same process. Yes, it's true at some point, especially under the new application, additional information will be asked for, or alternate information will be asked for in terms of the particular license type that has been requested, or whatever the case might be. So let's head off to the infamous loading. Perhaps I should change this entire video series serious, like my original message went out, it's a serious series on how to engage with this particular online portal. Maybe I should rename all of this to loading the ICASA online portal. There we go. All right. So again, as you can see, if you've watched my legacy amendment on the amateur radio station license, submit application. Again, there's a summary, the application number, what type of service it is, the type of service or license service license type is there. The application type, if it was new, it would say new or something. Again, same story. Save it, come back before you submit, exit, don't make any changes, cancel, delete the whole process, in which case you will have to come back and restart everything. So let's say submit, and of course we go back to our loading. Let's wait. Again, we should come up with, there we go, application has been submitted, manage your RF licenses. And if I go and have a look at that, let's just see where it is now. It should be in progress again, 5733. There we go, in progress, waiting for ICASA to give us the final. So naturally, there will be a final update to this to show you the final steps of renewing even the dealer license. So having said that, time to stop the video. Say to you again on this reasonably pleasant weather-wise 15th of March 2021. Be safe, be prepared, of course, be happy, sanitize, social distance or physical distance, and definitely wear a mask. 7-3, I'm out.